Good day. My name is Robert Mallow from the company TDI Imaging and also consultant for National Graphics. Today we will show how to install one of the logos or graphics to do a replacement on these trailers for Natrel. So basically it will be very simple. First of all, it's important to work at the 10 degrees or more. The ideal is 15 degrees. Today is a pretty nice day, so we can do it outside. But if it's too cold, you can do it inside. So first of all, we'll follow these steps. You will need 4 different tools that are very simple to find. So the first one is very simple. Go in your wallet and you take a simple credit card. So that's going to be your first tool. Second tool, you go to your local drugstore and buy some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, 70%. What I like to do is I just pour it in a what we call a spray bottle that you can purchase at the dollar store. So with this alcohol inside, the other tool you'll need will be your rag. And finally, you will need masking tape. I like to use what we call the green masking tape. So that's about it you need. And for the process of the install, it's going to be 3 simple steps. First of all is the cleaning, then it will be the positioning, and the installing. So let's start with the cleaning. You can spray some alcohol where your graphics will go. I always like to clean a bit more than the area needed. This one was quite dirty, a lot of grease, so it's important to do it at least 2 times just to make sure there's no residue. Here we go. So once that is done, we're at the step of positioning. So here's the graphic. Here's the logo that we will install. So basically it's very simple. It's a printed logo on a graphic vinyl, and we have a backing here. But first of all, you leave the backing to do the positioning. So what you like to do now is you position the logo where you'd like it. You take your masking tape and you just stick it on top of your graphic this way. There we go. So now we have what we call masking tape halfway on the decal and halfway that will be stuck on the rear door of this trailer. So once you have aligned your logo where you want it, what I like to do is, because we're hiding a Iogo logo here, my baseline, I try to use the same baseline for my Gustav lettering here, and I center it on top. So here we go. So once you're happy with it, you can even take a measurement to put it leveled based on what you need. Here we go. So I'm happy it's leveled. It follows the other logos. It hides well the old logo. Once that is done, this step was your positioning. You just bring back your decal like this, and from a corner you remove the backing. Make sure your hands are clean before doing this so you don't contaminate the glue. By holding on the corners like this, just lay it down very carefully as this way. Don't touch it more than that. Take your credit card, start from the center, and gently go up and down. So you always start from the middle and you go up and down. Here we go. Center, up and down. If you see a little crease, you can always bring it back like this, stick it there, and continue very slowly this way. Once the logo is installed, you see there's a line here. This is for the roll-up door opening. What I suggest, you take a simple knife, X-Acto, and just put the knife inside the crease and follow gently the crease here just to cut it. Here we go. So that's done. Finally, you take a corner of the rag and you just rub where you cut, just to make sure that the graphic sticks very well there. And here you go. Your decal is installed.